In this video, we will learn how to add an add-on domain and install WordPress in cPanel. At first, log into your hosting dashboard. I am in Green Geeks Web Hosting. Their UI is very simple, and all necessary things are in front of me, just a matter of a few clicks. Here is my active web hosting subscription, and the cPanel login button is here. Just browse your hosting dashboard and log in to cPanel. Once you find this interface, search domains in the search bar. Click on Domains. Then click on Create a new domain. Keep registered domain enabled, then paste the domain URL in the domain field. I will add a domain which is registered to a completely different domain provider so that I can show you how to connect both the domain and hosting with each other. The domain is arafin.website. I copy that and paste it into cPanel. Remove the tick from Share Document route so that the website data will be saved in a separate organized folder. Then click on Submit. It may take a minute to be saved. Then go to the Tools menu. You will find WordPress Manager by Green Geeks and also Softaculous Apps Installer. Both work the same. I am using Softaculous Apps Installer for general users. Now click on the Install button of WordPress. Now we will see this WordPress install form. Choose HTTPS. Then select your domain. Set your username and password, which will be used to log in to your website later. Copy them and paste them into the domain name servers. Then scroll down and you can unselect the selected WordPress plugins which will be installed while installing WordPress. Then click on Install. WordPress installed successfully. But if we go to this website, we will see that the site is unreachable. Most people see this and get stuck. The reason behind this is that we connected our hosting with the domain, but we have to make the domain yes too. Just go to the domain provider, find the name server option of the domain. Here is the custom name server option. Now we will go to the hosting panel and find the name servers. Then save it. Now your work is done. Wait a few hours and you will be able to access the website. A few hours later, our website is now accessible. Let's log in as admin. Logged in successfully. So this is the video on how to add an add-on domain and install WordPress in cPanel. If this video helped you, feel free to like this video. Thank you.